Children, today someone has come to meet you. You want to meet him? Yes or no? Yes? Okay. Which animal is this? What is this, children? Yes, snake. Yes, snake has come to meet you. You know why, children? Because today we are going to learn about letter S. Letter S. S for snake. Yes. Say hi to snake. Yes. Let's meet the letter S. Okay, children. Now we'll meet letter S. Yes. Letter S. Letter S. Let's talk about the letter S. Yes. Pink one is Mama S and the blue one is Baby S. Yes. Letter S. S for snake. Can you see the snake in the picture? Yes. Can you see the snake? Yes. Now I will tell you what is the sound of letter S. You all know how does the snake makes the sound? Yes. In the same way, we'll make the sound of letter S. Yes. Yes. Come on, you all will make the sound of letter S. Yes, letter S. S says yes, as in snake. As in snake. S says S says as in snake. Yes, you will move your hand like a snake. Okay, children, and you will make the sound of snake. S says yes. Now we'll have a story on letter S. Okay, let's have a story on letter S. Children, now we'll have a story on letter S. Are you ready for the story? Yes, letter S. Yes. So the name of the story is Sumi Sees a Snake. Can you see the two girls, children, in the school uniform? Yes, the name of the first girl is Sumi and the second girl is Sia. Yes, they both are sisters. Now, the name of the story is Sumi Sees a Snake. Can you see the snake, children? Yes. Yes. Let's start the story on letter S. Okay. Letter S. So, Sumi is a very smart girl. She is 7 years old. And you know what, children? She lives on Star Street. She's a very smart girl, just like y'all. And she is 7 years old. How many years old? 7. S for Sumi, S for Sia, S for 7. Yes. And you know what? S for smart. Yes. And she lives on Star Street. The name of the land where she lives is Star Street. Yes. Then she loves to play in the garden. You all love to play in the garden, right? In the same way, she loves to play in the garden when the sun is coming out. Yes, can you see the sun? S for sun. S for sun. Yes, Sumi likes to play in the garden when the sun comes out with her sister Sia. Yes. Can you see? They are playing. And you know what, children? They both love singing. So they always sing together. Yes, can you see? Sumi and Sia are singing. Yes. Who likes to do singing? Come on, raise your hand. Yes, I know. So they both do singing together. They both are sisters now. So they play together, they do singing together and they enjoy together. Yes. As for singing, as for singing, as for sister. Yes. Then one day they were going to school. While going to school, Sumi saw a snake. Yes, can you see the snake, children? Yes. And looking at the snake, they got scared. And the snake was doing sss. Yes, snake was doing sss. Yes, and looking at the snake, they both were very scared. Can you see? Yes. And then Sumi said, see here, there is a snake. What will we do now? Then, you know what, children? Sia took a short stick and says, come on, walk away. She put out a stick from her bag as for stick and said to the snake, go away from you. And then nobody will go near the snake. She told her sister. Yes, and you know what, children? After some time, the snake went away. Yes, doing sss, making the sound sss. Yes, snake went away. And then both the sisters were feeling safe and they went off to school. As for school. Yes, now let's do a recap of story. Yes, letter S. S for Sumi. S for Sumi. Yes. S for Sia. S for Sia. Then S for street. Yes, you remember the name of the street? Star Street. Yes, where she lived. Yes, S for street. Then S for sun. S for sun. Then S for school. S for school. Yes, and S for snake. S for snake. Yes. Did you enjoy the story, children? Yes, I know. Okay, children, now we'll see how to write letter S. Yes, and you know what, children? The formation for the mama and baby is same. Only the mama S is big and the baby S is small. Yes, now we'll see how to write letter S. Mama S starts from the headline, that is your red line. Can you see the red line? Yes, little below the red line on the dot. Can you see the dot, children? Yes, on the dot you will make a small curve and then a small out. Yes, like this. Yes, on the dot you will make a small curve and in and a small out. Yes, two opposite curves, one inside and one outside. Yes, see like this. On the dot you will make one small curve in and a small curve out. That is mama S. That is mama S. Now baby is also same. Only the baby is little small. Mama is big and the baby is small. Now we'll see how to write baby S. Okay. Baby S starts from the second line, shoulder line. Little below the second line, can you see the dot, children? Yes. On the dot, you will make a curve in and a curve out. Yes, small curve. Can you see, children? Yes. On the dot, one small curve in and a small curve out. Yes. Can you see the mama and the baby are same? Yes. Now, you have to write letter S properly. Okay, children? Bye. Okay, children, now we meet the friends of letter S. Okay, we'll meet the friends of letter S. S for soap. Yes, you all take a bath with the soap. S for soap. Soap starts from letter S. Then S for stem. S for stem. S for snail. S for snail. Yes, rainy creature. Then S for sheep. S for sheep. Then S for sandwich. S for yummy yummy sandwich. You all like to eat sandwich, yes? Then S for spoon. S for spoon. And then S for our school. Yes, I know you all are missing school. School also starts from letter S. Letter S. Letter S. Letter S. Let's talk about the letter S. S for seal. It's an animal. Yes. S for seal. Then S for shoes. S for shoes. And S for snake. Yes. S for snake. Now you all have to put your finger. You have to say the names of these pictures. Friends of letter S. Okay.
The snake is in the grass. 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 The snake is in the grass.
Okay, children, now you will write letter S in your book. Okay, Mama S and Baby S, nicely you will write letter S in your book. Okay, children, bye.